SEO isn't dead, it just evolved. In 2025, AI runs the show. The websites that rank highest aren't just keyword optimized, they're intelligently designed to match user intent, search patterns, and even emotional tone. In this video, I'll break down how AI can analyze thousands of search trends in seconds and tell you exactly what kind of content your audience wants. You'll see how to use ChatGPT for keyword clustering, how to generate perfect on-page structures, and how AI-driven tools like Surfer and Neuron Writer simplify everything. I'll also show you my personal workflow for building full SEO content systems. From idea to publishing, using only AI. The future of ranking is not guessing what works. It's training your AI to know what works before you publish. This is SEO redefined, faster, smarter, and way more profitable.